Another Samsung washing machine error code I'll be talking about is a 5C error code. It can also indicate 5E, 5C or 5E. That is caused when a washing machine can't drain out all the water, or it can't drain out some water in the stipulated time. So I'll show you four causes that can make a washing machine not drain. First is blockage. If there is blockage, you open the pump filter. Here you check it out, then you check if there is any blockage in that part, so you can clean it and clean the filter if it's blocked, if it has that. Then if the error code proceeds, you move to number two. You can check the wires to the pump. This is the drainage pump. This is an LG drainage pump. This is how Samsung washing machine pumps look like. A score. So the wiring to the pump, if the wire to the pump is loose or if it's cut, then a pump won't drain out the water. So check the wiring. Number three, check the pump if the pump is working correctly, and that one can be done by using a digital multimeter. Use a digital multimeter to check for resistance. The pump. You can see that one is working properly. So it has resistance. Those are in ohms. This one. This one is faulty. This one is not working at all. That's why there's no display on the multimeter. There's no reading on the digital multimeter. Let's test this one. Okay. This one is also faulty. There's no reading on the digital multimeter. So this one is working properly. Yes, so if the pump is faulty like this one, it won't show any reading on the digital multimeter. You have to replace it. This one is okay, so it's working properly. So check the pump. Then the pump on the other side, you can check if it's overheating. Some pumps, when they overheat, they stop draining the water. So you find the pump is very hot, like when you touch this part, find the pump is very hot. If it's hot, replace it. If it's not showing any resistance, replace it. Then the other time, you might find the propeller. Is not working properly, or it's making a lot of noise, weird noise. So if the propeller is not working properly, it's damaged, or it's making weird noise, replace it. Now we come to the fourth cause of a 4C error code, 5C or 5E. That is a drainage problem. Now if everything is okay, it's a problem with the motherboard. If the motherboard cannot supply enough power to the pump, or the required power to the pump, then the pump won't rotate. So that's all for today. I'll catch you on the next one. Subscribe for more videos.